Welcome to REIT Magazine's weekly report. I'm Matt Bouchard.
And I'm Alan Kenny. In our first story this week, Hamid Moghadam, Chairman and CEO of Industrial REIT Prologis, has been named the winner of the 2013 Ernst Young Entrepreneur of the Year award. Moghadam co-founded A&B Property Corporation in 1983, which went public in 1997 and merged with Prologis in 2011. In announcing the award, Ernst Young cited Moghadam's leadership during the deal as one of his many career accomplishments, along with his focus on developing distribution facilities in international growth markets. Moghadam is a former chair of NAREIT and in 2005 received NAREIT's Industry Leadership Award.
REIT.com was on hand at REITWorld 2013 in San Francisco to follow the action at NAREIT's annual convention. Among the highlights of the event was a panel with REIT industry legend Sam Zell, chairman of Equity Group Investments. The entirety of the panel with Zell, who predicted that their industry would continue to grow and flourish, can be found on REIT.com.
You can also find Zell on the cover of the latest issue of REIT Magazine, which features a one-on-one interview with the legendary investor. Other highlights of the November-December edition include a look at DCT Industrial Trust's extended makeover, a review of IPO activity in the REIT market in 2013, and a roundtable panel with REIT CEOs whose companies went public during the REIT IPO wave of 1993.
NAREIT also announced the recipients of its Industry Leadership and Industry Achievement Awards at REITworld 2013. Bryce Blair, former chairman and CEO of Avalon Bay Communities, was presented with the 2013 Industry Leadership Award, which is given annually to a REIT executive who has made a significant and lasting contribution to the growth and betterment of the industry, and is presented in memory of Edward H. Lindy, the late CEO of Boston Properties. The 2013 Industry Achievement Award went to Ritson Ferguson, CEO and Co-Chief Investment Officer of CBRE Clarion Securities. The Industry Achievement Award is presented annually to professionals serving the REIT industry whose acumen and integrity have helped heighten awareness and understanding of the value of REITs and publicly traded real estate. It is presented in memory of E. Lawrence Miller, the former CEO of one of the industry's first REITs, Bradley Real Estate Trust, and a past NAREIT chair.
NAREIT also handed out the 2013 Leader in the Light Awards at REITworld. The Leader in the Light Awards honor NAREIT member companies that have demonstrated superior and sustainable energy use practices. Here's a list of this year's winners. You can find out more about the Leader in the Light program and its companion, the Global Real Estate Sustainability Benchmark Annual Survey, on REIT.com.
Dozens of video interviews from REITworld 2013 with REIT executives, analysts, bankers, and investors are being posted at REIT.com. American Realty Capital Properties Chairman and CEO Nicholas Schorsch talked with REIT.com about what has been a busy year for his company in 2013.
Most people think size is for size. It really isn't. It's really about building something that has a lower cost of capital. Our G&A load as a percentage of assets goes way down, kind of into the 40 basis point range from kind of 60, 70 basis points, which is what most of the other peers are. So it gives us a lower operating expense, gives us scale, trading volume, and then it comes down to how does the investor see it. So from a capital standpoint, a lot of the larger funds are able to buy it because we have the fund flows.
You can find the rest of Schorsch's interview as well as many more at REIT.com.
And that concludes this week's edition of Weekly Report. We'll be back in 2 weeks.
In the meantime, be sure to visit REIT.com and RealEstateInvestmentToday.com for all your latest commercial real estate news and analysis.